Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to show you how to disable your Google notifications. What you're going to do is you're going to open Google, and then you're going to open a new tab, and the way we do that is by clicking on the plus sign to the right of your open tab right here in the upper left hand corner of your screen. Click on that once, it'll open a new tab. Then you're going to go over to these three dots in the upper right hand corner of the screen, and you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on settings. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go down to the advanced part that's all the way at the bottom of the screen, and you're going to click on that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go down to site settings. It's right here. You're going to click on that. Then what you're going to do is look for notifications, and notifications is right here, and it says that they're already blocked. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Right here you can see that I've gone to various websites, and those websites have offered, do you want to get notifications from Google, that type of thing, and I don't. So I went over here to where it says blocked, and I clicked on this little slider button right here, and it just blocks them. Now if you click there, it'll ask before sending, but I don't even want them, so I blocked them. And then there are various you can click on add, and there are various other bells and whistles, but just to block you getting these notifications, the Google notifications, that's all you have to do. I hope everybody liked and enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If so, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody is in the Memphis, Germantown, Collierville, Bartlett, Midtown, Millington area and you need in-home computer repair help, please feel free to call me, Dave Bensman, at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.